I have given this test to many people, rich people, wealthy people, poor people, sad people, depressed people, men, women, everybody that I've come in contact with, that I've coached, I've given this test to. They didn't even know it was coming. And it is for me to know where they're at on their mental journey, on the inside. This is just a little thing that you can do. I want you to do it with me. Now, by the end of this test, this might hit home a little bit. This might make you feel a little bit unworthy. It might make you feel bad. It might make you feel like you're not enough. Don't go there. When you do tests like this to yourself, this is solely for you to know where you are on your journey so that you can fucking take action and move forward. You have a stepping stone. This isn't to make you feel bad and push you in a hole. No. We don't do that shit. We learn about ourselves, about our hang-ups, and then we move forward. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help people master the journey, and in this video, you are going to do a test. This is going to be a test for you to learn yourself. Super easy, simple. You can do it to everybody else. When you learn this and you see what it does to you, you're gonna want to do it to other people. It's like seeing into somebody's soul. And you can use this in a lot of ways. I'll get into that in other videos. All right, man, before I begin, I want to quickly announce that I have one-on-one coaching. It's open, man. Bookings are open. Get your spot. They are very limited. They fill up fast. Link is in the description. I'll see you there. Now, in that last 20 seconds, I want you to rewind. Fucking rewind. What went through your head? Yes, that was the test. And you know what? This is key. This is so key. Pay attention to what happened. What was going through your head? Now, there are low levels. The lower levels to this, to where you know you got work to do, man. You are unprepared to do any of this high-end shit that people do that you learn on YouTube. You need to take care of yourself first. And the first realm of this is you skipped ahead. You couldn't even take the silence for 20 seconds. That was 20 seconds. You skipped ahead. Maybe you even skipped past this part. Now you're later on in the video and you have no fucking clue what's going on. You're like, where's the test? Where's the test? I want to know the test. I want to know. You got work to do, man. That is not how alpha males, high value people think and act. They are calm. They are aware. They have no problem sitting for 20 seconds in silence. Not at all. Now, the second realm of that is you started to think about, is this a test? What is this? What's going on? The thoughts in your head were just overruling you. Okay? You couldn't even sit still. Maybe you fidgeted. Maybe you checked your phone. Maybe you flipped through it and did something else. Okay? The thoughts overran you. No attention span, nothing. And the third realm of that is you were sitting there and you thought, this is the test. Am I going to fail? What is he going to say at the end? I hope I can do this. I hope that I'm okay to do this. I hope I'm worthy. That's the third realm. Think about where you are. Now, the fourth realm is you wondered and thought, what's happening? What's going on? I wonder what this is all about. Thoughts, thoughts, thoughts. And those thoughts created emotions inside of you that you followed. That you followed down that rabbit hole. Now, anywhere you are in those 4 tiers, you fucking failed. You failed. This is what I love seeing in people because where you are on those tiers is how I know where to begin coaching. And this is what you can do to yourself. You can sit in silence. How long can you sit in silence? How long can you sit with no distractions, no phone, no TV, nothing? You close the fucking windows. No sound, nothing. You go in another room. Your animal's not with you. If you have a dog or a cat, they're gone. Everything's gone. You must sit in complete, absolute peace and silence for 20 to 30 seconds. And just be aware. Be aware. What happens in your head? Do you fidget? Do you adjust? You can't even sit still. Maybe you just have to, see where you are. And then from that point, that is where you begin. What do you begin doing, Dre? What do we do? How do we fix this? If you can guess, you have been watching my channel and you're a loyal supporter of what I do in my work. And that is meditate, man. You have to meditate. Somebody who is further along on their journey and they've been meditating and they're super good at using the tool of meditation. And they're good. They can now use this tool in certain ways to improve their lives. The first step in meditation is simply sitting in silence in the now. Nothing is fucking with you. You're not trying to control. You're just allowing everything to be. And you are comfortable with that. And you do that for not 20 seconds, not 30 seconds, but 30 minutes. Think about that. That's just the base level. That's just the base level. If you took this test and you sat in that silence that I just created for the 20 seconds and had any of the problems that I just mentioned, you got work to do. You got work to do. And now, because of this video, you have a goal and a starting point. That's what I wanted to do for you. That is the gold, in my opinion, of how you improve yourself. Because, man, you can go online and you can get all this information, all these tactics, all these tricks, all these things that we can do. I need to eat healthy. I need to work out. I need to do these things. But no one tells you how to figure out for yourself where to start and how to make the goal that is for you. The only person that can do that is you, my friend. I hope this video helped you with a little bit of insight on how you can coach yourself and pull yourself out of any situation by just stepping back, becoming aware of where you are on your journey, and taking those little baby steps and stacking those wins, baby. Stacking those wins. So thank you for watching. If you want to book a one-on-one coaching call, link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one, man.